So just wanted to know your perspective on, as in how do you fire people the right way? As in when things are not working out with them. So just to also maintaining their integrity and their, kind of respect, how do you do it the right way?
Yeah, honestly, there is no right way. The only best thing that you can do, Gopu, is to do it in the most thoughtful, empathetic fashion. And that is just taking into cognizance the fact that what they are going through is going to be hard. They most likely will be angry. They most likely will be not so cool with whatever is happening, but no, it has to be done, so it has to be done. There is a difference between firing and layoff. So let me just focus on firing because that's the specific question you asked. If you're firing people, and I'm assuming that's happening because of performance or because the person's not working out, at least my approach has always been to help them see the fact that even if they were to stay in the company, they will not experience growth because they're not able to perform, and that's necessarily not a reflection of their capability or the company's. It's just a match that didn't work out. It's like any other relationship where you got into it and you realize it wasn't what you thought it would be. Your strengths are not working for the company or the company's strengths are not working for you or whatever the case may be. So I have always told people it is actually in your best interest to look out, because if you continue to stay here just for the notion of having stability in your life, you are going to get miserable and miserable by the day. You're not going to perform, you're not going to make it happen, and so on. Of course, I get to that point only when I've given that individual enough chance to improve, enough chance to see what is it that they could be fixing or they should be looking at, and that people call it a performance improvement plan or whatever the cases are. Those are just terminologies. But I would make sure that none of this is ever coming as a surprise, because that for me is the best test of whether you did it the right way or not. Whatever is it that you're telling the employee, if that comes as a surprise to them, you have not done your job well. If it comes to a point where they're like, you know what, yes, I get it, Gopu. You tried 3 months back, you told me this, we worked hard, didn't work out. I see that it can't, and I get it why you feel I should not be part of the setup anymore. So I will start looking out and I'll serve my notice period. And you'll be like, yeah, I think that's the best thing for you and for the company as well.
Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that whenever we put up a new video, you're aware of it.